There's one huge mistake that people are making on their demos that I want to make sure you are not making, because it is killing the deal. It means that people will not want to sign up if you're doing this on your demos. Let's see. Hey, I'm Matt Wolach, and I help people accelerate their software company by finding more leads, closing more deals, and achieving an incredible valuation so they can get that amazing exit that they're looking for. If you're wanting to do that, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the little bell next to it. That way you're going to get notified every time I come out with a new tip or advice that's going to help you get where you have to go. Now, today we're talking about something I've seen a lot lately, and it's something that really can hurt your efforts. It's going to kill your demos if you do this, so definitely don't do this, okay? What am I talking about? I'm talking about making your demo a training session. Now, you might say, oh no, our demos are not training. But let's just dive in, because we might be seeing this in your situation. And you might want to make sure that your people and you are not doing this. Before we get in this, make sure you hit that like button. If you're wanting to make sure that I give you stuff like this, if you want me to get you actionable advice and tips, hit like right now. That way it tells me this is good stuff and this is more of stuff I should create. Now, what are we doing in our demos that become training? And it's very common. What happens is you're building your demo process and you say, okay, well, of course, what I have to do is I have to show them the product. They want to learn about the product, right? So let me go through. What are the steps to the product? We have to fill this in, and then you got to do this, and then you got to do that, and you got to do that, and you click this, and that becomes a training session. We don't want to do that. If your demos are training, meaning you're just showing them how to use the product, then they're going to get bored. And they're also going to see that, whoa, this product has a lot to it. And there's a lot that I need to do, meaning I'm not going to want to go through all that. I kind of want to get the results, but I don't want to go through all this that I have to go through. So it actually has a counter effect. People actually see that it's too much and they don't want to get involved with that. They don't want to take those steps. So we want to keep the demos hyper-focused on their problems. This is why discovery is so important. You got to make sure your discovery process is absolutely terrific so that you're asking the right questions, you're getting the right answers, and you're making sure that you can tailor, you can associate your demo so that it only hits what they care about. You do not need to go into all those things, okay? Let's just focus on what is important for them, what they need to understand, and make sure we hit that stuff hard. If somebody has one problem, two problems, three problems, touch on those, hit those, nail them. Make sure they understand how your solution is going to solve those problems. But you don't need to go into all these other things. You don't need to go into every step of how you do this. You don't need to go into all how you set up or how you integrate and you connect this. Throw it out the window. If you're not seeing a good close rate, it's likely that your demos are training sessions. Training is for training. We'll have time to get them trained. If they say yes, if they pay you, if they sign on the dotted line, that's when it's time for training. And that's great. We can celebrate that. Then we can show them how to use it. But right now, let's focus on what it can do. Let's focus on what their outcome is, what their results are, what they're going to achieve from this, and how they're going to solve their challenges and pain points. And that is how you build a demo that absolutely kills. Now, if you want to make sure your demos are amazing, absolutely sign up for my course, Software Demo Secrets. You're going to learn all sorts of amazing techniques to get people so emotional that they say, I've got to buy this. There's a link down in the description. Software Demo Secrets is where you're going to be able to create your demo process. You're going to be able to learn how to deliver an outstanding demo and make sure that your buyers feel that pull. They're going to feel that I've got to have this. Now, the reason I call it Software Demo Secrets is because a lot of the best software people are already doing this, but they're not sharing how to do it. They're not telling you how to do it. They want to keep it for themselves. Well, I don't care. I want to share it with you. I want to make sure you're amazing at demos. So get that course, Software Demo Secrets, and you will see your demos level up. You'll be able to get your close rate much, much higher, make more money, achieve that valuation you want, and get that dream exit. I'm Matt Wolach. Again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That way you're going to get all the fun stuff, and I'll see you next time. Take care.